Welcome to One Tech Funda. Today we are going to watch video on understanding engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is a two-dimensional representation of 3D object. Here you can see the 2D drawing. This 2D drawing is representing to this 3D model. If we want to manufacture any part or object, then it is necessary to have a 2D drawing. Without any 2D drawings, manufacturing the parts is not possible. Engineering drawings are used to communicate design idea and technical information to engineers and other professionals throughout the design and development process. Graphic language in engineering application use line, circle, curve to represent the surfaces and edges of objects. Drawing provide necessary information about shape, size, surface quality, material and manufacturing process of the object. Now here you can see the 2D drawing. In this 2D drawing, the angle of projection is given. That projection can be first angle projection or third angle projection. In this drawing, we can see here how the 3D model looks in 2D, which we can see in top view, front view and side view. In the drawing, surface finish, dimensions and their tolerances are given. From those parameters, we can define the manufacturing process, and that process can be turning, milling, drilling, reaming, boring or grinding, and which machine should be used for manufacturing is defined by this process. The material, heat treatment and special notes are also given in the drawing that you can see here. A drawing can be done using freehand, instruments or computer software. In freehand drawing, the lines, circle and curves are drawn without using instruments other than pencils and eraser. In instrument drawing, the line, circle and curves are drawn with instruments. In computer drawing, the drawings are usually made by software such as AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks or NX. Engineering drawings are made up of graphic language and word language. Graphic language, it describes mainly a shape that can be circle, square, rectangle, center line and hidden line. Word language, it describes mainly size, specification and location of the object. In graphic language, except shapes, types of line, projection method and GD&T are also shown. In word language, except size, specification and location, the lettering and notes are also shown. In this drawing, we are going to see which are the graphic language and word language. Projection, shapes, center line, circles and GD&T, all those parameters are graphic language. Size, specification and notes, all those parameters are word language. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, then please like, share and comment. Also subscribe the channel.